Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. SPY targets hit yesterday. In the video on SPY that I made like a couple days ago, like a day or two ago, I did say that we were going down to at least like a 508. Like a 508, I was looking for 508, 507. We did hit that. Well, we hit 509. So I was $1 off, but I am expecting a little bit lower. So this isn't really going to be a TA video. It's more of just what I think is going to happen. I think two things. Either we drop down Monday, Tuesday to 507, right? Or we pop a little bit higher, probably maybe retest, and then come down to like a 506. So I think there's two different things, right? We either come straight back down. We either come straight down to 507 or you pop, retest, and then come down a little bit lower to like a 506. And I don't think we retested yet. Yeah, we haven't retested. So I really think we're just going to do something like this, right? Where you either pop again back to the upper side of the channel and then go down a little bit lower to like a 507, 506. Or you just drop straight down from here, in which case you hit a like maybe 507, like the mid, like my 507 at like 50 cents or something. I mean, either way, we're going down to like 507, right? And I released that SPY video like a day or two ago. So yeah, SPY target hit, which is, cool. I did want to talk about Bitcoin too. Bitcoin did just have like a massive drop. And we are exactly where I told you guys, right? I did tell you guys that I did expect us to go all the way back down to at least a 67 down here on this channel trend. And right now, there's really only two things that can happen, right? Again, this is either this breaks, right? This channel breaks and you go all the way down to 53, and if you do actually break this, you're going down to 45, right? I do think that, or you recover completely from here, which again I would not be surprised because Bitcoin's been super bullish like as fuck, right? So there's no reason this is not gonna go also to what is it called, to like new all-time highs, right? Like you can definitely just run this all the way to wherever, because if there's a bottom, it's gonna be here. So really, this is kind of like the point of no return, right? This either runs all the way up. Actually, is this too low? The stop should be like right there, yeah. So this would be your entry. You can literally enter right now in the bottom, and you're riding this up till like forever, right? So you either have a really big spike and you go to like new all-time highs, right? You either break 74 and you go straight to 75K, which is 100% possible, or you actually give up this channel trend, and you drop all the way down to 53 whatever, right? And what is this? Let me check. I want to see what this is, because this looks like a funky trend. Yeah, I would not be surprised for this to be the top and you drop all the way down to like 53. Or at least down to, a little bit lower. So we can do this, right? We just duplicate the shorter trend here. Run it down. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. I'd say I'd say with this breaks, right, you definitely have a really solid chance of going back to 54K. But again, we're at a place where you can perfectly long this, right? So perfectly long this to new all-time highs. Set your stops, right? Maybe like around 64,973, but you can long this all the way up to like 80K. But if this breaks, as long as you have stops, right? But if this breaks, you're going all the way back down to 53K. And I'd argue that if this breaks and you don't actually push from here, you're going all the way back down to like a 45K, I think. Let me see, where's my level if this actually breaks? Yeah, I'd say definitely around here, like 51K to 53K. And then if that breaks, then your next level is like a 42K. And then after that, you're probably looking at like a 27K. But, and then if we have anywhere like a monthly close on the bear side, you can definitely just crash like all the way back to like, I don't know, very hard. But yeah, as of right now, Bitcoin is on a bear bias, right? As far as how much it drops, I have no idea, because you're literally you just closed this bear week last week and you're continuing to drop. So again, I can see this going all the way back to 53K, but you have to have a lot of momentum to the lower side for that. So we'll see what happens, right? Because Bitcoin can definitely, from here, right, this can definitely be the top, and then you drop like 50% and this nukes us to like 30K, right? So we'll see what's going on. Again, it really just depends on that channel to break, right? It really just depends on this channel breaking. But again, there's no reason for anybody to not long here to brand new all-time highs as long as you have like your stops there. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.